Can you take me home? So all the people take a look at me. I'm the alien from outer space. I see it in my face. Your solar system just ain't mine. And everywhere you people go, and I'm a station, that distraction, it ain't my game. Completely insane, and so your game is over now. Can you take me home? Can you take me home?